In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple measures in Looker Studio Table. If you're building a report and want to show more than one numeric value side by side, like clicks, impressions, and conversion rate, this is a quick and simple process. Start by selecting the chart or table you want to update. Click directly on it in your report canvas so it's highlighted. This tells Looker Studio which component you want to work with, and it opens the right-hand panel where you'll make your changes. You should see the properties for that specific chart, which include its data settings and style options. If you don't see that panel, it usually appears as soon as the chart is selected. With the chart selected, look at the Properties pane and find the section where metrics are listed. In Looker Studio, metrics are the numeric fields, sometimes called measures, such as revenue, sessions, or cost. Click the Add Metric button to include another measure in your table. When you do, you'll be presented with a list of available fields from your connected data source. Choose the measure you want, and it will immediately be added to your table as a new column. This is an easy way to add multiple measures, one after another, without leaving the Properties pane. As you add them, Looker Studio will apply the default aggregation, like sum or average, based on the field type. If you prefer, there's another way to do the exact same thing. Instead of using the Add Metric button, go to your Data pane, which lists all the fields from your source. Find the metric you want, and simply drag and drop it onto the chart or table on the canvas. When you drop it, Looker Studio adds it to the table's metric list automatically. This drag and drop method is great when you already know exactly which fields you want, and you can spot them quickly in the Data pane. Once your measures are in place, you'll see them appear as additional columns in your table, updating instantly with your chart's filters and date range. Keep in mind that adding a lot of measures can make a table wider and may affect readability, so choose the most meaningful ones for your audience. And that's really all there is to it. Click the chart, add metrics from the Properties pane, or drag them in from the Data pane. You now know two simple ways to add multiple measures to a Looker Studio table.